Ball low.
Foul ball.
Fouled off.
1 ball, 1 strike.
Ground ball to Luke. Fields it clean. Over to 1. Out.
Thank you.
Go, Hayden. Expect it, kid. Don't distract you. Load up.
1 away in the bottom of the 3rd. Dogs up 6-2. Pitch. Called. Strike. Good pitch. Let's go, BG. The 0-1. Good pitch.
0-2.
Let's go, kid. Let's go, kid.
Fouled off.
Battle, kid. Let's go.
0-2.
0-2 count. 1 out. Bottom 3. The pitch. He gone.
Nice pitch. Nice pitch.
Two away. Top of the lineup. Let's go, B. The pitch. Swing and a miss.
Strike.
A little over grip.
1 ball, 1 strike.
Let's go, B. A ball and a strike. Ooh. Ball low.
2-1.
Ooh, just a bit high.
3-1.
Let's go, B. 3 balls, 1 strike. Ball 4. You're right. Pitch. Gone. Good throw, no. Ball at the plate. Stolen base. Pitch. The 1-1.
2-1.
Let's go, B. Right here, kid. 2 outs. Top third, bottom third.
Three balls, one strike.
Let's go, B. Got him. Close. Good move. Good move. Three balls, one strike, 2 away. Here you go, B. You're good.
Come on, B. Time on the field.
Ground ball. Canyon has it. Out of one.
Good job, guys. Good job.
The Dogs get out of the jam. We go to the 4th. Dogs up 6-2.
Conference on the mound fixed everything.
All right, we are ready for the top of the 4th. Dogs lead 6-2. Leininger Rose Greathouse will lead us off. Pitch. Popped up. First baseman under it. 1 away. Let's go, Sky. Ground ball. Right back to the pitcher. 2 pitches, 2 outs.
Come on, B. Get it started.
Let's go, BG. Called strike on the inside. Wait, take 1. Let's go, BG. Ball just a bit high.
One ball, one strike. Go, G.
The 1-1 in the dirt.
2-1.
Two balls, 1 strike. Pitch. Oh, could be trouble. Could be short over. Out at 1.
You have a bottom 4.
Bottom 4, 6-2. Okay. Away team. Yeah.
Gotcha.
All right, we are bottom 4th. Braden still out on the mound. Defensively, Regatius slides over from 3rd to 1st. Chase Wilson comes back in at 3rd. Called strike, first pitch. Pitch, beat. Ground ball. Chase gets it. Air mills it.
Let's go, Tuck.
Ball's in the dugout. Here we go.
strikes.
High T cut, Garrett. High T cut. Kids go. Expect to drive. Come on, kid. Turn it back and go. Turn it back and go. Come on. Expect it, kid. Come on, let's go.
Called strike 2.
Hey, come on, let's go.
Let's go, B, right here, kid. The 0-2. Ground ball. One away in the bottom of the 4th. Scores 6-3. Infield in, one away. Batter showed bunt. Here you go, B. Nice pitch.
Come on, Squiller. Let's go. Bring one in, bud.
The 2-1. Swing and a miss. Let's go, B, right here, kid.
Hey, Squiller, take contact. Let's go, bud. Get on base.
2 balls, 2 strikes, 1 out. Let's go, B, right here, kid.
Let's go now.
The 3-2. Nice, Jace. Good play.
Go, Jace.
Hey, Cohen, we need you, bud. Let's go. Get on base.
Let's go, dogs. To you last time, Fields. Nice job. Havoc get 1, 6-3. As we go to the 5th. All right, we start the top of the 5th. Canyon, Colin, Regatius will lead us off in the 5th. Dogs up 6-3. Pitch inside, ball 1.
Dial it in, bud.
Let's go, kid. The 1-0. Oh, called strike on the outside.
They're all doing fine. 1 ball, 1 strike.
Drive it, kid. The 1-1. Ball high. Good take. Good take.
Put it in there, bud.
2 balls, 1 strike. He hits that to right field. It's a short fence. Home run, Canyon. Take advantage of the field you play on. Nice job, Kenyo. Solo shot, top of the 5th. Dogs up 7-4.
Nice hit, Canyon.
You're not broadcasting.
I'm not broadcasting. I'm recording every half inning, so then I'll upload it so we can.
It's fine. I just thought Amy and my mom both said something. I thought, I wonder if he even knows he's going through all that effort.
Yeah, no, it was not streaming well. It was very choppy. So Colin laces it. That's a single to left field. Nice job, Colin.
Hey, Luke.
Say hi, kid. We're top 5. Colin gets back in time. Called strike at plate. Colin steals second. Steals second and gets back in time.
Go, Grams. Keep throwing strikes. Let's go, bud.
A 1 count on Luke.
Hey, Luke, you got this. You got this.
You're good, Luke. Put it in play, scores a run. The 0-2. Ground ball. That'll score 1 and get through. Singles to left field.
Good job, Luke. Good job, Colin.
Let's go, Noah.
Toby, keep it going.
Let's go, boys. On your toes. Let's go. Ready to move.
Called strike at the plate.
Let's go now, boys.
Luke in at second. A 1 count on Noah. 2 runs have scored in the top of the 5th. 8-3 is our score. No throw. Ground ball. Advances the runner over. Outed 1.
Let's go, one more.
Luke at third with 1 away.
Good hustle, Noby.
Let's go, Chase.
Get another one. Let's go right here.
Oh, Chase smokes that to center field. Oh, hits the base of the fence. He'll be in with a double. Nice job, Chase.
Good Chase. Nice hit. Come on, Luke.
Let's go, Luke. Gapper, kid.
Go, Graham.
All right, Dogs have scored 3 in the top of the 5th. 1 out. Called a ball.
Now keep going.
One ball.
Let's go, Luke. Gapper, kid. Fouled off.
Got this, Luke.
Count goes 1-1.
One ball, 1 strike.
Called strike. Dogs lead 9-3. Top 5, 1 away. Chase on second. The pitch. That could be trouble. Could be trouble.
Woo! Nice job, boys!
All right. We go to the bottom of the 5th. Dogs up 9-3.
Jackson, get this inning started. Make it big for us.
All
Let's
right,
go.
we are starting
Everybody
bottom
hit.
5.
Go.
A couple defensive changes. Canyon comes back in at first. Luke Fergacious goes to right. Skylar stays in center. And Leininger slides over to left. Oh, and Colin comes in pitch. Called strike. And Greathouse slides back to
Let's go, 2-2.
short. All right, called strike. This is high.
1 ball, 1 strike.
Here you go, Colin. 9-10-1 in their lineup in the 5th. The 1-1. Whoa. Ooh, that was almost a strike.
Good eye. Let's go, Perry.
That looked good, Colin. Good save. The 2-1.
Hustle, hustle, hustle.
Way to go, Perry. Let's go, Hayden. Get one, guys. John Base, let's go.
All right. Lead off single to shallow center field. That was trouble all the way. Here we go, Colin. Ball outside.
1 ball.
One 0 count. Bottom 5. The pitch. Fouled off.
It's us. Okay. Get off 1 more.
Here we go, Hayden. Go.
1 ball, 1 strike.
The 1-1. Fouled off.
Here you go, kid. Go, buddy.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
Bottom 5. 1-2 count. The pitch. Called strike. Strike him out, throw him out. All right, 1 away. Let's go, Colin. Called strike. Way to hit your spot, Colin.
Go, Bree.
Swing and a miss. Adjust, D. The 0-2. He gone. 2 away. Fouled off. Nothing in 1, 2 away. Good move. Pitch. Just a bit inside.
Are you looking for the ball? They have it by that red tent right there.
Bottom 5. 1-1 count. 2 away. 9-3 Dogs. The pitch. He gone. Oh, that's 2 strikes. Huh. Good pitch, Colin. Right here, kid.
So everybody smiles. Where are you and who are you with?
The 1-2. Go get it, Canyon. Yep. Nice. Score 9-3, and we're going into the 6th.
Yeah, let's get some insurance.
Trying to make sure it wasn't 8, because that would have been.
Yeah.
But you would have let me know.
Yeah, right? All right, we go to the 6th. Dogs up, 9-3. All right, we begin the top of the 6th with a new pitcher for the Havoc. 25 will toe the rubber. Chase, Leininger, and Rose will lead us off in the 6th. Ground ball, fouled off. John fields it clean. A 1 count. Off the handle again. Out of play. Fouled off.
Straighten it out a little bit.
Got this, Jace. You got it.
Nothing in 2 on Jace. No outs. Top 6. The pitch. Outside.
You got it, 2-4.
1 ball, 2 strikes. Nobody out, nobody on. Top 6. The pitch. Misses away.
You got this, Nate. Follow through, bud.
The pitch. Laced for a single to left field. Nice job, Jace. Let's go, Stoke. Everybody hit, Stoke. Let's go. With Jace at first. Stokely steps in. Jace will go to second. Turn, turn, turn. No count on Stoke. Jace takes second on the fielding error by the first baseman. The pitch. Ball high.
Good eye, Stuck. Good eye.
Pretty good. Go 7. Come on, Nate. You got this. Get it out.
No throw. Stokely would have been back in town. Oh, get fair. Oh,
Nice stroke, Stuck.
Evens the count. 1 ball, 1 strike. Jace at second.
Hey, moving with the ball, Havoc. Let's go.
Let's go, Stoke. See it, drive it. The 1-1. Ball high. Good eye.
Follow through, Nate. You got this, bud.
Jace will get to third. Three balls, 1 strike. Nobody out. Top 6. Go. That scores a run.
Go, 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 go.
Nice job, Stoke.
All right, good job, Stoke.
All right, let's go now.
Pushes the score 10-3. Let's go, Sky. Ball 1. Ball 2.
Okay, you're all right. Got it,
Sky.
bud. Deep breath. Let's go now. First strike.
Ball 3.
Good eye, good eye.
Called strike. The 3-1.
Nice
Called
job.
strike. Fouled off.
Hang in there.
Nice job, Sky. The 3-2 misses high. Good job, Sky. Good at
Good
bat.
job, Sky.
That'll flip the lineup. Brayton will come up
Well, me.
with 1 out in the 6th. Sky will be in at second.
Okay, B, there he is.
See it early, drive it, kid. The 0-1. Ball low. Sky will go to third. A ball and a strike. 1 out. Called strike. All right, here you go, B. Now you're ready. Fouled off. Way to stay alive, kid. Drive through it, okay? Ground ball. Thought it's going to score another run. Oh, he's safe.
You got me. Hey, Russell. Good Canyon.
Canyon would have beat, or Braden would have beat the throw anyway. Infield single. Let's go, Canyon. Don't overswing. Just ball in play, kid. Steps off. 11-3 is our score. Pitch. Ooh. A 1 count, 1 away. Ball high. Drive it, kid. One ball, 1 strike, 1 out. Braden on second. The pitch. Canyon lines out. A close play at second. I think the umpire's hot out there. Want to get this one over. We go to the bottom of the 6th. Dogs up 11-3. All right, we are in the bottom of the 6th. Just starting. Colin on the mound. Misses away. Let's go, Colin. Defensively, Jace is in for Stokely and left. That is the only defensive change. The 1-0. Chase is there, 1 away. Let's go, Dogs.
Hey, Graham, get a good swing in. Let's go, bud.
Go 2-1.
Yeah,
Be
this.
aggressive. Go get it out.
Right here, Dogs.
Swing quick.
Misses high, off speed. The 1-0. Yes, sir. Pitch, Colin. 1 ball, 1 strike, 1 out. Fouled off.
A little quicker, a little quicker.
One ball, 2 strikes. Top 6. Or bottom 6, sorry. Dogs up. 11-3. 1 out. The pitch. Fouled off.
Graham, decide earlier, bud. Come on. Stay alive. You got this.
You ready, right side?
Go, Graham. You're behind it.
A little quicker, a little quicker.
Right around.
Same contact, bud. Come on, we need you on base. Let's go.
The 1-2. Oh, cold strike on the outside.
Nice pitch, Colin. Nice pitch.
Two away. Bottom 6. Ball away. Let's go, Colin. Fouled off. Evens the count. A ball and a strike.
1 ball, 1 strike.
1 ball, 1 strike, 2 outs. And this is high off speed. Let's go, Colin. The 2-1. Knuckles. Braden is there. Ball game.
Hey!
All right, the Dogs get the win, 11-3. Most likely securing the number 1 seed. Looking at the scores so far, Owensboro has given up 5 runs in their 2 games. The Dogs have only given up 4 for an average of 2 versus 2.5 for the Owensboro Bluegrass. Welcome, Noah, to the camera. Great day behind the plate. Nice frame on that second to last batter there. That was an excellent frame job. We can't see it.
Thanks for watching.
Yep. There you go. All right, so if the Dogs can keep this number 1 seed from the rest of the games, we will not play until 3:30 tomorrow, if I remember correctly. It's either 1 or 3:30. I think it might be 3:30. I'll check right now for us. If we are the number 1 seed, we will not play until 3:30 tomorrow. If we are the number 1 seed, not till 3:30 tomorrow. 3:30 tomorrow, if we can. I think we'll have the number 1 seed now. Everybody's given up more runs than we have. That has a chance to be 2-0. I think. Let me. Yep. I guess, well, the Strive 365 Black have not played yet. So if they do not give up more than 4 runs and they win both their games, then they could be the number 1 seed. But I think we're at least the 1 or 2 seed. Yes. Well, I guess, so Smithville, hold on. Smithville plays, they only gave up 2. But they play Strive 365 Black, so one of those teams is going to have a loss. They play that game is at 3:30, so it's the next game on Diamond 14 over there.
Wait, when should we play again?
All right, we'll see you at some point tomorrow.